Visionworks camera is far superior to the other brands that we've used. The resolution is excellent, very high quality product. Hands down, we couldn't do it without the camera. Couldn't do it.
Installing a Visionworks camera on an RV with a Furrion pre-wired camera-ready connection is quick and easy and should take approximately 10 to 15 minutes. Step 1. Remove the 4 bolts securing the half-moon shaped Furrion plate from the back of the trailer. Step 2. Pull out the Furrion power cable and plug it into the Visionworks adapter. We recommend using electrical tape to secure the connection. Step 3. Feed the original connector back into the wall of the RV, leaving the adapter out. Step 4. Attach the Visionworks Furrion mounting bracket using the rubber gasket and 4 bolts from the original cover plate. Step 5. Connect the Visionworks camera to the power adapter. We also recommend using electrical tape to secure this connection. Step 6. Feed the camera cables into the wall of the RV. Step 7. Use the Allen wrench and hardware provided to secure the camera to the mounting bracket. Step 8. Connect the booster antenna to the camera and secure the antenna to the roof of the RV. Thank you for watching this video. If you have questions or would like more information, please visit our website at visionworkscameras.com or please call at 1-800-333-4503.